how to find sort code and account number in Monzo. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up your Monzo app, then go to the section of home, and on home you will be able to find different cards. Just select the card for which you want to find out the sort number and account number. And in case if you want to find out for current account, just simply open up the current account card. After that, you will be able to find two options, whether feed or manage. Just select the option of manage, and when you scroll down, you will be able to find the option of account details. Under account details, you will be able to find all sort of details that you want to find out. You will be able to find sort code and also account number there. You can simply click on the option of copy over there in order to copy them and use them. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.